members already in front, so I think it's just right that we will proceed first with the off-taking ceremony. Then before that, I'll just give you, of course, my short message and congratulatory messages to everyone. So, good morning to everyone. First, before we proceed with the taking ceremony, we just like to greet, of course, our PRCD chairman, Honorable Francis Limapile, our Honorable Jaime Mendoza, PRCD member, of course, our chapter president, Ezekiel Yola, and you can see also online our former governor, of course, he's there, Orville, Villapanya, of course, Pres Luis, and I can see also Pres Damadiel, Lalo, and also we have with us